I dreamed it was stupid. I think I've been hit by you, baby. No one needs to know right now. I met a tall, dark, and handsome man, and I've been busy making big plans, but no one needs to know right now. I got my heart set, my feet wet, but he don't even know yet, but no one needs to know right now. I'll tell him someday, some way, somehow, but I'm gonna keep it a secret for now. I want the bells to ring, the choir to sing, the white dress to dance, the cake to call the whole darn thing, but no one needs to know right now. I'll tell him someday, some way, somehow, but I'm gonna keep it a secret for now. We'll have a little girl, a little boy, a little Benji, we gonna be royal, and no one needs to know right now. I'm not alone anymore at night, and he don't know that he can make it right. And I'm not alone anymore at night, and he don't know that he can make it right. I'm not dreaming or stupid, but boy, I've been hit by Cupid. No one needs to know right now. No one needs to know right now. No one needs to know right now.
Let's learn Who Needs to Know. It's choreographed by Joshua Talbot. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Who Needs to Know. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do heel struts forward with our right and our left. We're going to take our right heel, place it forward, drop your right toe, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to place your left heel forward, drop your left toe, weight on your left foot. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rocking forward with our right, recover back on your left, rock back with your right, recover forward onto your left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to repeat those heel struts, taking our right heel, placing it forward, dropping our right toe, taking weight onto our right foot. Place your left heel forward, drop your left toe, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. We're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Let's try it with some counts. You're doing your heel struts, weights on your left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do step together, step touches, forward and back. So we're going to start by stepping into that right diagonal. You want to lead shoulder first into the diagonal, so your body is going to be angled to the left. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left next to your right, step your right foot forward and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do that back. So we're going to step back with our left, Step our right next to our left, step back with your left, and touch your right next to your left. When you touch, that's going to square you right back up to the 3 o'clock wall. So let's try it with some counts. You're doing your step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot back into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot forward where we just came from, touch your right next to your left. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do it, you're going to sway your hip to the right. Then you're going to put your weight onto your left, sway your hip to the left, sway your hip to the right, sway your hip to the left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that last part with some counts, doing your back touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel struts. Right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right rocking chair. Right heel, strut, left heel, strut, jazz box quarter, turn to the diagonal, step together, step, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, hip, 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 hip. And weight is on your left foot, facing 3 o'clock to start the next wall. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your heel struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to keep going around. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your heel strut. Right heel, strut, right rocking chair. Right heel, strut, jazz box quarter turn. Diagonal step, together, step, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, hip, 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 toe heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel struts, rocking chair, heel struts, jazz box quarter turn, step together, step, touch, back together, back, touch, forward, touch, hip, 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 heel strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll just dance it all the way through without having to worry about any tags or restarts. I hope this helped you learn who needs to know. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.